Hey guys, JB here from Alpha Wolf Consulting, coming to you today with the next session in the Alpha Wolf Guide to Psychological Engineering. So yesterday we took a deeper look into understanding the 4 dimensions of self, or the 4 planes in which we experience reality through the self. And now today we're going to understand the 5 aspects of experience. So the 5 different aspects in which we process experiential data into our internal, like hierarchies of meaning, our psychological structures, our memory, retention and imagination, our emotional states, and our heart frequency. So essentially, how I can conceptualize things logically in my conscious mind through my hierarchies of meaning and my psychological structures. As I look around me today, I see all these trees, but there are different hierarchies of meaning for what the trees are. Some are big trees, some are small trees. Do you sort of get it? There is psychological structures. One is bamboo, one is, a mandarin tree. Do you sort of get it? Like, I'm utilizing my psychological structures to create separation between different objects in my reality, or different conceptualizations within reality. So you might say hi to me, and I'm using the conceptualization of language to understand the meaning of hi in language. Do you sort of get it? Try learning a second language. You'll start to understand this process, because for the new language, you're then taking that word and associating it to the word in your native language, right? And then you're finding the hierarchy of meaning for that word. Do you sort of get it? And as you become more proficient, the word in the new language now just is associated with the hierarchy of meaning. But typically this is at mastery level, so when you've been speaking it for 5 to 10 years. So many people talk about when learning new languages, after a couple of years, their dream state starts to change, where they start to dream in the new language. And that's a very important shift, because the hierarchies of meaning are now associated to the new language and the old language. That's why it feels so strange. Do you sort of get it? So in our conscious mind is logic, reason, it is structure, it is order. Do you sort of get it? So our conscious mind is the order. So the way in which we experience the conscious mind is through conscious constructions of order. Do you sort of get it? Language. Language means X. Do you sort of get it? The tonal inflection of the language means Y. The tonal inflection of the language with body language inflections means Z. Do you sort of get it? So just realize this, that when we're trying to understand the 5 aspects of experience, we're just understanding the 5 dimensions in which we perceive experience. Do you sort of get it? So from raw experiential data of the sun coming up and light hitting my eyes, do you sort of get it? To the psychological structure of someone telling me their deepest insecurity or fear. Do you sort of get it? I'm able to understand and comprehend and conceptualize what they're speaking of through language, through, different psychological structures. Do you know what I mean? So usually for humans, the best way in which, or the best psychological structure we have to transfer experiential data and knowledge is stories. That's why storytelling is so prevalent. Our culture existed on storytelling, or sort of oral traditions, for thousands of years before written traditions. Do you sort of get it? So if we think about the psychological structures, there are ways of interpreting the data, that is being presented to us. our emotional states or our unconscious mind, so our emotional states and our memory retention or memory association and imagination, because just understand this, memory, so remembering and imagining, are the exact same state. Do you sort of get it? One is just I am remembering based off past experiences, so I'm trying to remember or recall past experiences, and the other is I am recalling a future experience. Do you sort of get it? Imagination precedes reality. Do you sort of get it? So you can look at it like this, the 4-minute mile. It stood for hundreds of years, couldn't be broken, it was impossible. A human feat that just could not be broken. Then one day a man broke it. Couple weeks fucking later another man broke it. Couple weeks fucking later everyone was breaking it. Do you sort of get it? Like, the reason isn't because people just miraculously got better. Motherfucker, someone unlocked their mind and they saw, oh, I'm not a fat slow bitch, I can actually push myself further. Like, do you sort of get it? So just fucking realize this, because it's fucking important. That's why I'm fucking emphasizing it to you, that your mind, okay, right now is a limited, egotistical little bitch that believes the 4-minute mile is impossible. Motherfucker, I have seen the 4-minute mile. Do you sort of get it? I've seen it done. I know this mind is not limited. I know the ego is weak and a bitch. If you choose not to believe me, that makes you a weak bitch. Do you sort of get it? Just like if you choose not to believe me that the 4-minute mile is possible, you're a weak, fat little bitch. Like, that's just the truth of the fact. And if you can't handle it, it proves my fucking point. Do you get it? Like, water off a duck's back or water drenching a little bitch. It'll either roll off you or it'll make you cold like a bitch. Do you sort of get it? So understand that. When we're thinking about our unconscious mind, okay, our unconscious mind exists outside of our conscious mind. Our emotions, our memory can never be controlled by our ego, because our ego is a fucking egotistical, arrogant aspect of ourself that thinks I know better than the fucking guy running the show. Do you sort of get it? Have you ever experienced that at work? Someone comes in and they think they know fucking boats, and they come in and they tell you, you're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong, you're doing this wrong, and you've been doing it for 10 years. And then they get in there and they start trying, and they're fucking shitter than you. Like, do you sort of get it? It's because of the ego. So just realize that. I say it with all the love in my heart. You're an egotistical bitch, and the moment you figure that out, like, you're unlocked to the potential. So if you get offended by it, that is your ego limiting yourself. Should you choose not to be offended by me calling you an egotistical little bitch, well, you'll actually expand into future potential. But I bet you didn't know that. I bet you just thought I was trying to upset you. Don't you get it? It's why I have no sympathy and I do not fucking lower my standards, because lowering my standards is accepting that your ego sets the fucking pace, sets the tone. Your ego doesn't. My higher consciousness sets the pace and the tone. Do you sort of fucking get it? So while you may think that within your ego is the power of the world, I know your ego doesn't even see 10% of reality, because I fucking know my ego. Do you get it? Like, it's not a mystery murder scene, you know? We're not playing fucking Cluedo. Like, I've been where you were before, and I fucking know the exact state you're in now. Why? Because in my eye, okay, and in your eye, we have these things called mirror neuron receptors. These mirror neuron receptors, okay, when I watch you do something, if I have taken that action, as I watch you do it, I don't see you doing it, I see me doing it through memory. Do you sort of get it? So just realize that. Should I see you in your ego? I know you're in your ego. It's not an assumption. It's because when I look at you, I see me in my ego. And then I see every action I would have taken. And I know every action you're going to take. Do you sort of get it? Like, it's important to understand this shit, because many people seem to go through life unconsciously, and they use that fucking mirror neuron receptor to, when I see someone who's egotistical, and I used to be egotistical, I now feel connected to them. It's why in love, every fucking partner I've had has been an egotistical motherfucker, because I used to be an egotistical motherfucker. Do you sort of get it? So my mirror neural receptors were seeing connection in fucking ego. Do you sort of get it? Bet you didn't know that. Hey? Bet you didn't realize that the reason you repeat cycles is because you're still associated to that negativity. So your I associates the memory of you in that negativity in there, and then your fucking ego justifies why it's acceptable. Do you get it? This is how it works, motherfucker. Like, do you get it? So you see someone acting egotistical, and because you were egotistical, your ego says, well, maybe they're not that bad. Maybe they're not trying to hurt me. Maybe they're not trying to be fucking mean to me. Do you sort of get it? But like, if you piss on my face, there's no fucking way I'm ever going to open my mouth and think, it's fucking raining. You piss on my fucking face, I'm going to realise you pissed on my fucking face and act accordingly. Like, do you sort of get it? I'm not going to play the misbelief and and the pretending of the fucking ego, the make-believe of the ego. That, oh, it's just a fucking sun shower, there's no fucking clouds in the fucking sky. Oh, but this rain tastes fucking sour and salty to me. Like, how fucking stupid would I be? Yet, the ego justifies negative action, justifies lying, justifies manipulation games, justifies all this shit to protect you from what you once were, because you refuse to accept it as being an aspect of self you don't want anymore. Like, do you sort of get it? So you keep putting yourself back into situations with egotistical fuckers. Like, do you sort of get it? And you wonder why you can't break your ego. Like, just realise this. Once I realised about the ego, motherfucker, I cut people out left, right and centre. The only way you will ever speak to me is if you tell me specifically, I reject my fucking ego, because I'm not putting myself back in that bullshit. Do you sort of get it? I don't give a fuck who you are. I don't give a fuck what you think you have. You have nothing for me, because you do not understand the fucking mind. So don't ever think your egotistical bullshit is valuable to me. Don't ever think I need something from you. Motherfucker, I know all within me. Like, do you sort of get it? It's very fucking important to get this shit. And the reason I emphasize fucking is so that you understand I am not here to fuck spiders. I am not here to fuck about. Do you sort of get it? When I tell you your ego is the weakest aspect of yourself, like, I'm not telling it because I think and have opinions. I'm fucking telling it because I know that was the weakest aspect of fucking me. Do you sort of get it? And when I got rid of it, motherfucker, there is nothing you can do to me. What could you ever do to me? Do you think death worries me? Motherfucker, you kill me and I will just reincarnate. I might come back as a tree. I might choose to come back as a motherfucking bear. I might choose to come back as a shark. I might choose to come back and hunt you. Do you sort of get it? Like, what can you do to me? Do you sort of get it? Because you don't understand consciousness and the frequency of consciousness. Like, do you understand? So understand this. When we're understanding the 5 aspects of experience, we're understanding the ways in which we can conceptualize and experience reality around us. And that's fucking power.